Wow! Wow, ang ganda niya.
They will speak.
Yes! Oh my gosh. Welcome back to our channel. So ngayon po may summer festival dito sa amin. Tapos may mga activities, tsaka may mga palaro ng mga bata. Tapos mamayang gabi may fireworks. Dadalhin ko si Matt doon sa may mga palaro ng bata doon. Tapos manood tayo mamaya ng fireworks. Tara na! Hi! Are you excited? Go over there! Go over there! On the other side! On the other side! Because that's too high. You just go on the shorter one. Okay? Wanna go there? Do we just stay here because there's a smaller kids in here? Okay, hi. Hi. There, over there. Come on. Come here. It's okay, you're gonna stay here for a minute. And we're gonna go na. We're gonna go. Sige na. Oo nga. Hi. Are you scared? Where you wanna go now? Huh? This one is too big na. You're scared of that? So ayan guys, ito na yung mga bouncy. Kaso takot naman si Matt, ayaw niyang maglaro kasi sobrang taas daw po. Kaya yan, naglibot-libot na lang kami dito. Tsaka yan, libre yan, walang entrance fee. Kaso takot pa si Matt maglaro niya, next year na lang ulit. Tapos yan, mag-slide dyan kasi sobrang taas, natatakot siya. Tapos yan, maglibot kami dun to my face painting. Ayaw din niya. Ayan, napagod daw siya sa kakalibot kasi ang init. Dito daw muna kami magpahinga. So, bumili kami ng cotton candy. Yan. Kasi naglakad lang kami guys. Galing dun sa bahay. Sobrang init. Parang Pilipinas lang. You sing na. What else? Hi guys! So dito na lang daw kami manood ng ano ba to? Soap
Maddox Hanley will
Max Derby, yung nagka-car race yung mga bata.
Alfie.
Yan, yung maliliit na bata. Nag-race sila. Gusto niya kasi ng mga cars.
You're very scared.
Paborito ni Matt ng yung mga cars. Kaso, maliit pa siya para sumali sa ganyan. So, nanood muna kami. Ayan. I'm gonna go there.
What? Yeah.
We're gonna go on the other side. Whee!
Alfie wrong. Maddox Hanley. Alfie Sutcliffe.
You say who?
To the right lane. Alfie in the left.
Sige na. Hey. Who's the winner?
Racers ready? Here goes one final adjustment. On your mark. Get set. Race.
There you go. Go back, go back, go back. Clap your hands.
Jaden Ross remains undefeated, the 10 to
Clap
14
your
year
hands.
old champion. So your 10 to 14 year old champion is Jaden Ross. Hot day.
Are you watching? Are you happy?
Still a
Thank you,
baby.
Kathleen, for running the flag down there in the heat. The handsome Jeff Ross for running the ramp.
So ayan guys, manunood na kami ng fireworks. Tapos may nakita kaming fire truck. Gustong gusto niya yung fire truck. Gusto niya pumasok dyan sa loob. Pinaakyat siya nung ano.
Fire truck? Oh, look the lights. Look the lights. Look the lights.
There, there! Lalala.
There you go. Huli ka. Huli ka. Huli. But hurry. Hurry back. Yung underwear. Nakitaan ng kwenta yan. There.
There, Mama is there.
There. Kuya Juman is there.
Ang kapal din.
There. Go. Go. Oh, kumuha ng bulaklak. Siya kumuha ng bulaklak.
Matt, are you excited? Nak, are you excited? Wow! Sorry. Wow, that's nice.
Mama.
Wow! Oh my gosh.
Sa'yo pa na. Ang ganda nung nandito. Ang ganda nung nandito.
Oh my God! Wow! Ang ganda!
Wala eh.
Meron si tito niya doon eh. Pag nagmumulga.
Lakas mo.
Ganda nun, be. Yun, no?
Wow!
Ang ganda nung nandito. Buti na lang.
Ang ganda!
Ganda po.
Wow! Wow! That's nice! Ang ganda! Wow!
Wala yun. Parang ito, wala yun. Ganda niya. No? Yung meron, kung nakalive yung drone na yan. Nice.
Ang ganda!
Ilang oras?
Dami daw to, sabi.
Something like 20 minutes.
Ang ganda ngayon, no?
Ito, gusto ka na.
Hindi pa nag-ilaw.
Magpigay ka na eh. Ayaw
Takot sa ulo.
too loud na.
Hindi pa niya na-ilaw. Too loud.
Too loud daw eh.